Salam alaikum, Oman. Okay, you said I did it wrong the first time. So we have Omani chips, we have the hot sauce, and we have the laban. So let's do it right. Okay, gonna crush these up. Got a bowl. Oh, let's try it. Well, you can see. And then we put the milk, or laban. So you can see, and then I don't know how much of this hot sauce I need to put in. There we go. So have a look. There we go, it's all in there. So I'm gonna have to mix it around. Oh, I'm nervous, very nervous, guys. And then what the hell? That's unbelievable. Mmm. Who thought up that? Whose idea is this? That is unreal, man. I can't believe it, Oman. You guys have invented, out of the maddest ingredients together. Thank you so much. One of my new favorite snacks. I'll see you later.